What's up, guys? It's me, Rayhan Plays RBLX, and today we're gonna make a PC. And I've already done the steps, so all you wanna do is this. Wait a second. One second, you guys. Okay, so you just wanna make the frame like this. Like you just put two white blocks like that. Let's make a frame like that. That's really easy. If you cannot do that, I am what? I'm gonna go like what, okay? And somehow I don't know why my mouse is not working. So I'll just wait. Oh wait, 1 second. Wait 1 second, you guys. Let me go ask my sister for my USB. Okay, so it's in here, I think. My sister said it's in here. Okay. Oh, where did you keep it? It's over here. You could have given me my USB before you took it. Okay. No idea why. Stop messing up my stuff! It's right here. I kept it right here. There it is. It's not messed up. Oh my god, sorry. Anything. You also anything. I'm sorry, I apologize for it. I don't do homework. I was just